Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Flexibility is Freedom, the channel where we talk about building your dream lifestyle through financial independence. My name is Tom, and I'm very excited to announce the launch of my 100% free course on passive income and affiliate marketing. So, this is the first episode, and in this course, I'm going to show you how to build $500 or more per month in passive income using primarily affiliate marketing. And what's important is that we're not going to show any tricks or tips. We're just going to rely on good old hard work and patience, which I think are the most important factors, both in life and especially in building your own business. So, who is this free course for? I've designed it for anyone at a beginner level with no knowledge of internet marketing or affiliate marketing. And, some of the categories would include, anyone who wants to earn a side income, who is interested in working from home, being able to take care of their kids, for example, during this current COVID lockdown. It's also for people who, if you're currently unemployed, you're looking for a job, maybe you're temporarily furloughed, and this could be a good course to see if you can make some side income while you're looking for a job or even on top of a full-time job. It's also for anyone who, especially students, if you have a lot of spare time right now, you're kind of spending it, binge watching Netflix and Disney Plus, and you're thinking, what else can I maybe do with my time and maybe earn a little bit of extra cash on the internet. So, why in particular am I making another video series? Obviously, there's a lot of content on YouTube already and on the internet about, how can you make money online, how to start a side hustle, how to build an online business. And in fact, if we just go to YouTube right now, I've been looking at this morning. There are tons and tons of videos, how to make $150 a day, 10 legit ways to make money, 10 business ideas, 10 websites. So, the list goes on and, how to earn a side hustle, same thing here. I think, and it's $300 a day, that's quite a bit. So, overall, there's a lot of content. I find that there are some shortfalls with most of them. The first one is that they're mainly motivational or inspirational in some cases, right? They'll show you, I make $1,000 a day, or $50 a minute, or $1 million a year, stuff like that. And I think in general, it's good to be motivated, right? It's good to be pumped in terms of seeing very successful people and trying to understand, how do they get to become so successful, right? Like business books, for example, are a good example of this. The problem here is that, one, it sets your expectations unrealistically high. And that means that if you don't achieve much results or progress in your first year or two, you might feel very discouraged. Why am I not making $1 million, a year yet? So the other thing is that they don't really show you step by step. What should you be doing now? What should you be doing in 3 months, right? It doesn't give you a course kind of outline to tell you what you should be doing at different stages and how to progress, right? It's more of a motivational type of, think of it as a motivational speech. That's what these types of videos are. The second is videos that give you tips and tricks or lists of ideas, right? The 10 best online businesses to build, the 7 essential tips, things like that. And again, very helpful, directionally correct, but I don't think those are the best sort of content to be watching in terms of how do I build my business, as an absolute beginner, how do I get started, what should I do? And the third thing is kind of similar to the other two. You'll see a lot of entrepreneurs, successful people, YouTubers and whatever it is. They try to condense, so much of what they are doing into a simple video, right? Boil it down to 7 steps, boil it down to, the 3 key things you should be doing. And again, it's great for clicks. It's great for, getting people to, watch your videos and come away feeling very motivated. And again, I was a beginner not too long ago. I actually worked in finance. 2.5 years ago, I quit my job, decided to be an entrepreneur and go into passive income. And I watched tons of those videos. And the problem is they don't really help you understand what should I do day 1, day 2, day 3. How do I build my brand? How do I do, SEO and all that stuff? A lot of these videos, they give you sort of the outline, but they don't give you the actual, step by step to build the business itself. So that's why my video series, I'm going to focus on showing you, not just telling you. I'm going to focus on, demonstrating and explaining my process as clearly as I can. And we're going to focus on an actually obtainable goal. And I think $500 a month is a pretty good starting point. You could go up to as much as $1,000 a month, even more with affiliate marketing. But we're not going to target something unrealistic, right? Like $1 million a year. And then the last thing is, in this video course, I'm not going to give you any BS, any link or clickbait rather. There's going to be absolutely no kind of showboating and no wild exaggerations. I'm going to try to tell you the truth as honestly as I can, as sort of succinctly as I can, show you what works in terms of my process and how I've built affiliate sites. And if this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, let's continue.